We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda Dee. So welcome from Miss Brenda Dee and her family.
Hello everyone, how y'all doing on this nice beautiful day? Today we're making a shrimp pasta salad, y'all. Yes, and here are our ingredients. Today I'm showing y'all my ingredients for my shrimp pasta salad. Here I have some Roma tomatoes that I have chopped up, and also some half of a medium onion, a half of a English cucumber. The English cucumbers are usually wrapped in plastic. Some cooked shrimp, thin spaghetti, and some Caesar dressing, and some salt and black pepper to taste. Here I have a pot of water, which I'm going to add a little salt to. This is for our pasta. Here I'm slicing my cucumber in half, and now I'm removing the seeds, and then I'm going to slice them again, and then we're going to chop them up. Okay, now what we're going to do with our tomato, we're going to slice it in half, and we're going to remove the seeds from the tomato, and we're going to slice them, and we're going to chop them up finally. We're going to do the onions the same way. We're going to slice them thinly, and then we're going to chop them up. Our water is ready, and I'm adding my pasta, and we want to break these into smaller pieces. You can break them in half or in threes. And I'm stirring up my pasta to make sure it's not sticking. And here I'm showing y'all me taking the tails off my shrimp. You can also use the tail off shrimp. My daughter, LaDonya, is in the kitchen with me. She is getting ready to rinse off our pasta. Make sure you rinse your pasta off, and make sure you rinse them until they are completely cooled, because we don't want them to continue to cook. Here we're placing our spaghetti in a large bowl, and we're going to loosen them up. Now we're adding our chopped tomatoes, our chopped cucumbers, our onions. Here I'm using a large fork to mix these up, because we want all our vegetables to be mixed up well and not just a glob of spaghetti. So we want to make sure the vegetables is mixed in well, okay? Here I'm adding my cooked shrimp. You can grill these yourself if you prefer, which will make this pasta salad even better. Letting y'all know y'all can also use grilled chicken, and y'all, it is so delicious as well. Now we're adding our Caesar dressing. Make sure you shake the bottle well, and we're going to add it to our salad. I'm adding 1.5 bottles. Make sure to mix up your salad well so that everything is covered with the Caesar dressing. Here I'm adding a half a bottle of Caesar dressing, which make it 1.5 bottles, okay? And we're going to continue to mix this up well. Here my daughter is tasting to make sure that it has enough salt and black pepper. Here I'm adding salt and black pepper. We're going to continue to mix this really well to make sure everything is covered. We're going to place this in the refrigerator for a couple of hours to make sure it's cold, or you can eat it right now, but I prefer it cold. Or you can pre-make this for if you have occasion the next day. You can place it in there, let it stay overnight, and then you're good to go. Okay, y'all, I'm going to be back with the final result. Okay, y'all, we are back. I just wanted to share with y'all how this shrimp pasta salad turned out. I just want to let y'all see up close. Can y'all see those fresh vegetables and the shrimp? A sweet dear friend of mine taught me how to make this salad, and we miss her very dearly. She's no longer with us, but she will always be in our heart. I hope y'all enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell so y'all can get our new and upcoming videos. And to all my new viewers and subscribers, you are welcome, welcome, welcome to our channel. Okay, y'all, like always, I'm gonna say y'all have a blessed day, and bye-bye for now. Love y'all. Stay safe and be blessed.
We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda Dee. So welcome from Miss Brenda Dee and our family.
That's a hit.